My name is RJ, and RJ is a doctor, so I was really excited. And I want to say thank you so much for your YouTube channel. My ex-wife divorced me in 2020, her loss, right? After 6 years of marriage because we couldn't conceive a child. So I read that hurts, right? And I think that this happens a lot. My ex-wife divorced me in 2020, and I even paid $90,000 for 3 IVF procedures, and that failed as well. So IVF is in vitro fertilization. They were trying to get pregnant. He spent $90,000 trying to help her get pregnant so that they could have a baby together. So we divorced and decided to go our separate ways. Now last year, coming across your channel, I started doing the Dick Up Smoothie after I turned 45 years of age and doing the smoothies consistently. And in December of 2022, I met a nice younger woman who is 20 years my junior. I love it. Love makes things happen. We started out as friends because we're both educators and working on our second doctorate degree together. Well, we just found out that we're expecting our first child together. Yay! Thank you so much, because I knew I was on medicine for high blood pressure, and that medicine really hindered my sexual performance when it came to maintaining an erection. That smoothie is amazing. Sincerely, RJ! So, I got an opportunity to email RJ back. And so I was asking him some more details about it. And then he sends me this. Before this movie, the fertility doctor told me that my sperm were slow swimmers. After 6 months on the smoothie, I have more energy. My penis stays hard like a brick during intimacy. And obviously, my sperm picked up speed. LOL. Hell yeah, it did. Oh, man, RJ, thank you for sharing that. Listen. So the smoothies aren't magic. That's not what's happening here. What's happening on the smoothies is just increased antioxidants, increased nitrates, and just adding in those components that we know help with fertility, help with blood pressure, help with insulin resistance, help with erectile function, because all of it is so related. So in the process of getting stiffer, not only are we improving insulin resistance, we're helping you lose a little weight, but also on top of that, we're boosting antioxidant levels. And antioxidants are what we need more in our body to just kind of counteract all that bad stuff that happens to us that we're exposed to every day. So thank you, RJ, so much for sharing that with me. Best of luck to you and your new boo. And of course I asked him, I said, well, this new one, you guys are pregnant now. She's 20 years younger than you. Any plans for marriage? Crickets. RJ sent me crickets. He didn't actually send me the cricket emoji, but he did not answer that one. So I respect that. And listen, love makes things happen. I was so happy to hear that. And I was happy to hear that he didn't give up. So we never give up hope. We keep it moving. And then, of course, this is from Anthony. Yes, I've been taking the nitric oxide booster for about a month now. I've noticed an immediate change, and I'm very happy. I'd like to see even more change, but I know it's a process. Nevertheless, I can see where this is going. I've been able to change my diet and incorporate the Dick Up Smoothie as a part of my daily intake, and I've also been using the pump a couple times a week. Ching! Not only is there morning wood, but sometimes there is overnight wood. Yes! Still a work in progress, but there is no doubt I'm well on the way. So thank you so much for sharing that, sharing all your successes here. I love that. And thank you for allowing me to share with the rest of us, because I know sometimes we can get into a space where you're not necessarily, feeling so encouraged. So I love that.